Every night you climb into bed, close your eyes, and become a potato with a heartbeat. You do not eat, you do not play, you do not even notice that your pillow has slowly stolen half your face. For hours you seem to do nothing. So why do humans waste about 1/3 of their lives like this? Because sleep is not the off button. It is the night shift. The moment you fall asleep, a strange crew enters your body. Some workers sort memories, some check the heart, muscles, hormones, and immune system. Some may help move waste through the brain. Then a tiny cinema opens and shows you a movie about riding a chicken to school. Nobody bought a ticket. Before the night shift can begin, your body has to make you sleepy. It uses two big systems. The first is your body clock. Light tells this clock that daytime has arrived, while darkness helps tell it that night is coming. The clock changes signals throughout your body so you feel awake at one time and sleepy at another. It is not a clock you can see. That would be convenient. The second system is sleep pressure. While you stay awake, a chemical called adenosine builds up in your brain. Imagine tiny sleepy coins dropping into a bucket all day. The fuller the bucket gets, the more your brain says, please lie down before you walk into a wall. Caffeine can block part of that sleepy message for a while, but it does not empty the bucket. It is more like putting tape over a warning light and declaring the problem solved. Very professional. Eventually, your body clock says night, your sleep bucket says full, and your bed suddenly becomes the greatest object ever invented. Then you begin to fall asleep. But you do not enter one single place called sleep. You travel through different stages again and again like a little train running around the same track. One full trip usually takes about 80 to 100 minutes. Most people make 4 to 6 trips in one night. The first stop is light sleep. You are drifting away, but part of you still listens to the room. A sound can wake you. Your thoughts become loose and strange. Sometimes your body suddenly jerks because your brain apparently thinks falling asleep means falling off a mountain. Thank you, brain. Then you enter the next stage. Now you are properly asleep. Your heart rate slows, your body temperature drops, and the outside world becomes harder to hear. The doors are closing. Next comes deep sleep. Your brain activity moves in slow, powerful waves, and waking you becomes much harder. If someone does wake you, you may stare at them like a confused cave person who has never seen a lamp. Deep sleep appears more often early in the night. This is an important part of the body's maintenance time, especially for growth and physical recovery. Then the train turns toward the weirdest stop. REM sleep. REM means rapid eye movement. Your eyes dart behind your eyelids, your brain becomes surprisingly active, and vivid dreams often appear. Meanwhile, most of your large muscles become temporarily very relaxed. This is useful. If you dream that you are fighting a giant sandwich, your body should not actually punch the person sleeping next to you. Your first REM visit may be short. Later in the night, REM periods usually grow longer while deep sleep becomes less common. Then the train starts another loop. Light sleep, deep sleep, REM. Again and again. So what is the night crew doing during all these loops? First, the memory department opens. Your brain does not save every second of your day like a perfect camera. That would be terrible. You would remember every sock, every spoon, and every time someone said Instead, sleep helps the brain work with new memories. Imagine a classroom after school, papers cover the floor, one says how to ride a bike, one says what the teacher explained, one says funny dog near trash can, another says wall. The workers sort them. Keep this, strengthen that, connect these two, put this somewhere safe. Why did we save wall? Scientists are still learning exactly how this sorting works, but sleep clearly helps learning and the formation of long-term memories. That is why sleeping after you study can help more than staying awake all night and slowly turning into soup. The next crew works on the rest of the body. During non-REM sleep, your heart usually beats more slowly and your blood pressure falls. Your body also coordinates hormones, energy use, growth, and repair. In children, important growth signals are especially active during sleep. So when a child sleeps, they are not being lazy. They are under construction. The immune system works a night shift too. Different immune cells become more or less active at different times, and some work harder while you sleep. These are the tiny guards that help your body notice trouble and respond to it. They do not wear sunglasses. Probably. Sleep also helps your brain handle emotions. With enough sleep, a small problem may feel small. Without enough sleep, the same problem can feel like a dragon has entered the kitchen and eaten the good cereal. You become grumpy, worried, slow, or silly, sometimes all four. Then there is the brain's cleaning crew. Brain cells work all day and work creates waste. The brain has pathways that move fluid and help carry waste away. Research suggests that sleep is connected to this cleaning system, but scientists still debate exactly how much cleaning increases during sleep and how the whole process works. So the tiny garbage truck is real enough to draw. Its exact route is still being argued about. Some scientists think slow brain waves, moving blood vessels, and flowing brain fluid may work together like little pumps. Other experiments have found that parts of the story may be more complicated. The honest answer is not sleep power washes your brain. The honest answer is your brain has plumbing, sleep seems connected to it, and the plumbers are still reading the map. Now the strangest worker turns on the dream cinema. Dreams can happen in different stages, but vivid, story-like dreams are common during REM sleep. Your brain takes faces, fears, sounds, memories, and complete nonsense, throws them into a box, shakes it, and calls the result a movie. You may fly over your house, lose all your teeth, meet a talking banana, and arrive at school without pants. Classic cinema. Why do we dream? We do not fully know. Dreams may be connected to memory and emotion, or they may partly come from the sleeping brain trying to make sense of its own activity. There are several ideas, but no tiny director has come outside to explain the plot. Then morning arrives. Light reaches your eyes, your body clock changes its signals. Sleep pressure has dropped and the city begins to open again. Your muscles return to normal, your attention comes back, and you slowly remember what a Wednesday is. Hopefully, what happens if the night shift does not get enough time? The next day, attention, memory, reaction speed, mood, and judgment can all get worse. You may make more mistakes, learn less easily, and want more sweet or salty food. Your immune defenses can also work less well. If you stay awake long enough, your brain may even steal tiny pieces of sleep while your eyes are open. These are called microsleeps. For a few seconds, parts of your attention disappear. This is very dangerous while driving. It is also not ideal while carrying soup. And sleep is not just a human habit. Many animals sleep too, even when sleeping makes them slower to notice danger. Some animals have found unusual solutions. Dolphins can rest one side of the brain while the other side helps them surface to breathe. One half sleeps, one half drives. No fighting over the radio. The fact that sleep appears across so many animals tells us it must be doing something important. Evolution kept it even though lying still and ignoring the world sounds like a terrible survival plan. Scientists still do not have one perfect answer for why sleep evolved. Memory, energy, body maintenance, brain activity, immune work, and other jobs may all be part of the answer. Sleep probably has many jobs because your body is annoyingly complicated. So tonight when someone says it is bedtime, it may feel like the fun is ending. But inside you, the night crew is just arriving. The memory workers lift their boxes, the repair team opens its tools, the immune guards check the doors, the plumbers argue over a map, the dream cinema prepares a deeply unnecessary chicken. Then you close your eyes. The daytime you disappears, the night shift begins, and your body quietly gets you ready to be you again.